The Ministry of Human Services and Social Security has launched its Survivors Kit for victims of gender-based violence. This is part of the ministry's 16 Days of Activism campaign.
When people want to leave abusive, violent relationships and circumstances, they have a pack that has basic items so that when they're leaving, sometimes I know many of them leave with just the clothing on their back and they're thinking, how can they help themselves in that immediate moment or in those immediate periods right after leaving.
The kits include toiletries, towel, food items, masks, and a few more items that can last several days. After receiving the kit, victims are also linked with a survivor's advocate. At the moment, 15 advocates are being trained from across the region to support and guide victims during their journey to recovery. Survivors Advocate June said the packages might be small, but they send a big and significant message to victims that help is here.
So when the survivor gets this sends a message. Somebody cares. The Ministry of Human Services and Social Security cares. There is help out there and there's hope for me. And this is what these packages represent for me. Yes, we know it looks like a small package, but it's the message behind the package that you will be helped and we're here for you.
Young Survivors Advocate Ove shared similar sentiments.
It's more than just simple packages. It's giving persons hope. It's communicating to persons that, we care, we see what you're going through, we understand, and this is how we're, trying to help you.
It's something that is needed. It is just a short something or a minimal something right now, but it has the potential to be something more. And I think that is what the survivor will look at. It's providing them with hope that even if we leave home without anything, we can still have something.
The ministry plans on training more advocates to serve. Survivors Advocates are accessible through the 914 emergency hotline, usually referred by the probation department.